Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 FE, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system management. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. Now we have to tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and then tap on it. I will choose Greek. Choose the region, and here just tap on change. As you can see, the Greek language has been immediately applied at the top, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can simply tap on that different language to immediately apply it. You can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on this minus icon next to the language which you'd like to remove, and confirm everything with tapping on the tick icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.